All right, let's see if the Launch can do the service reset on a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta in real time. Let's go into how do we want to do this? Let's go. Can you even see that? Hello. Volkswagen. When I say reset maintenance, she's got the little wrench coming on, and there's a little timer coming on the dashboard. It's kind of, I guess, like a clock down to 38. See if I can hold this where we both can see it. Special function. I believe there's a shortcut for this. And if there's not, I'm making it take longer than it should. Oh, there we go. Reset service. Auto reset. Oil reset. Adapting vehicle to fixed interval. Oh great, kilometers. I gotta convert this, right? Manually set mileage to next maintenance. Ah, there we go. I like it. We're going not 10,000, 20,000. That would be odd because it already has mileage on it. Wrong data entry. How come? Manually set mileage. Okay, 0. Oh, then I was asking for odometer mileage. How many miles till the next service? I get it. Bear with me. Now, I'm only putting in 2,200 miles because this car already has had an oil change a few thousand miles ago. She brought it in because the sticker says so, but she really didn't put that many miles on it. She can really go some more, so I'm gonna set it to go off when it's really due. Set days to next reminder. Okay, that's gonna be approximately 90 days. Reset succeeded. Awesome. And that should be it. We'll verify that by shutting it off. Look at me looking for the button up here. Over here. Let's start this up and see if we still get the counter on the dashboard. We get no wrench, we got no counter. That's it. That's the Launch Diagun IV resetting the oil reset. There is another method. You can hold the buttons and push the buttons and all that other jazz, but I did want to try it with this to see if it was quicker and easier, and actually I think it is. So that's it, guys. Bye.